Get default line color cycle. I noticed when you plot that the first line is blue, then green, then red, and so on. Is there some way to access this list of colors? I've seen a million posts on how to change the color cycle or access the iterator, but not on how to just get the list of colors that matplotlib cycles through by default.
In matplotlib versions is greater than or equal to 1.5, you can print the param called axis.prop_cycle. Or equivalently, in Python 2. In versions is lower than 1.5, this was called color_cycle. Note that the default color cycle changed in version 2.0.0, this URL.
Often, there is no need to get the default color cycle from anywhere, as it is the default one, so just using it is sufficient. In case you want to use the default color cycle for something different, there are of course several options. Tab 10 Color Map. First, it should be mentioned that the Tab 10 color map comprises the colors from the default color cycle. You can get it via kmap equals plt.get_kmap tab 10. Equivalent to the above would hence be colors from color cycle. You can also use the color cycler directly. Cycle equals plt.params axis.prop_cycle .by_key color. This gives list with the colors from the cycle, which you can use to iterate over. The CN notation. Finally, the CN notation allows to get the nth color of the color cycle, color equals C.format_I. This however only works for the first 10 colors, n in 0,1.9. All codes presented here produce the same plot.
The CN notation revisited. I'd like to address a new development of matplotlib. In a previous answer we read, finally, the CN notation allows to get the nth color of the color cycle, color equals C. Format I. This however only works for the first 10 colors, n in 0,1.9. But gives
If you're looking for a quick one-liner to get the RGB colors that matplotlib uses for its lines, here it is. Or for Wint8.
first lessons, probably